Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharika and today we'll be talking about how I blow dry my hair. This is literally what my hair looks like. It is so good. It looks really bouncy and pretty. It's just, this is how I do my hair. If you guys want to know how I do my hair, then please do continue to watch this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down and let me know why you didn't like it. And if you do have any suggestions that I could add more in the future, then please do let me know what videos I should make next. How I blow dry or style my short hair, and this is what my hair looks like. It's still a bit damp, but yeah. So I'm gonna put my hair. You get some hair fall. It's normal, absolutely fine. So today the blow dryer that I will be using is my BABYLISS or BABYLISS. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll be using my BABYLISS hairdryer. I got this a while ago, but I really didn't know how to use it. So without further ado, I'm gonna just show you what I do. Also, what you will need is a pair of clips or hair rollers. It's totally fine. Unfortunately, I don't have, like, you know, the hair rollers because yeah, I just couldn't get my hand on these. I do have hair rollers, but it's just quite big. It's actually really big. And every time I take it out, my hair actually comes out straight, which I don't want. I want a bit curly at the end. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I will be brushing my hair now as I will be blow drying my hair. So I'm taking this much of hair, but let me just come a bit closer. Okay, am I a bit too close? Above my ear, I'm gonna take this much of hair. Let me just go back a bit to the front. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, you don't want to use dryer on your hair because, like, you know, like, you just don't want to use the hair dryer on your hair on your own. You want to use a heat protector, and the one I've got is SHA-RIII Keratin Smooth. It's really good. I really like this one, and it actually makes my hair look so smooth and bouncy. Like, I actually really like this. So please, yeah, this video is not sponsored as well, obviously. Yeah, so this video isn't sponsored. Trust me, if you're seeing this, please sponsor me. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to turn on your hair dryer, and then you want to go outwards, like facing outwards. I'm so sorry, my audio stopped literally out of nowhere. Yeah, so go outwards and then go inwards. So I want some volume around my roots, so that's why I'm going like this. After my hair is fully dry, completely dry, I'll be going in like this, okay? Wow, that looks so good. That looks really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna twist my hair, and oops, my root seems to be a bit wet, so I'm gonna do this again. Also, I've got a party, so yeah. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, I'm taking one of my pins. There you go. I took this many pins because I actually need it. I actually like pinning my curls. Yeah, you should always do that. I'm gonna you want to do this a few times so that you actually get the curl. There you go, perfect. Yeah. Let me just put this. Perfect. Okay, now we've got this side left. Spray again. Oops, is it leaking or something? I'll do it again. Like, I hope you actually understand what I'm doing. And yeah, I'll do it one more time just so that you can see. Wait, let me just come up front. Okay, so basically this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna go inside a few times like this, because because my roots are wet as well. If your root isn't wet, you can skip this part, but like, you know, I'd say to do it because like obviously you're gonna put some heat spray on. So yeah, don't skip this part. What you want to do, you want to go like this inside a few times just so that your roots are not wet, because if your roots wet, this won't really work out properly. Okay, let's start. Go inside a few times. Okay, my root does seem a bit dry.
Oops, I got lip gloss here. Okay, so my root does seem a bit dry.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it across my face, and I'm gonna go like this towards my face. Actually, outwards on my face. I'm not sure, but like, yeah, you go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one more time, and so that you actually understand what I just did. You wanna follow the whole thing, you know, throughout your whole hair. You wanna go outward every time you do this. Now that I'm done blow drying my hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make like a small ring with my hair. I don't know how to explain it, but like I'm sure you understand by seeing what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna make a ring, and then I'm gonna go upwards and pin it. And then what you want to do is you want to pin this. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm gonna speed this part up because like, yeah, I can't really talk because I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. Bye. Anyways guys, I'm done recording, but yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. Yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. And yeah, I'll like basically you can like keep your hair like this for 2 hours, and then you could just let it go and you're good to go. But yeah, I don't really have time for that in the morning because like we literally have a party right after I wake up, and it's literally 6 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, I need to go and sleep like as soon as I can. If you're still watching this, can you please like give this video a thumbs up? Also, I feel really cute. I don't know why, I just look really nice. Yeah, I'll see you then. Bye. Hey guys, so I am so glad you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like my hair, and please don't forget to say mashallah or Allah Mubarak. And yeah, do you guys want to see the back of my hair? Wait, let me just make some trim. I'm so sorry you guys, my tripod's broken, so that's why I kind of like, you know, had to really get on the floor and do this, but this is what it actually looks like.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Please do let me know what you guys think of this hair tutorial. Can you guys please give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down and let me know why you didn't like it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.